Hello friends, today we will discuss about the circle of Willis in very simplified manner. In this I have drawn two diagrams. The left one is partially drawn to explain that. The black arrows which I have given in the center for the red marked artery is ICA, that is internal carotid artery. Internal ICA is very important in formation of circle of Willis. Then I am marking is MCA, that is middle cerebral artery on both sides. MCA. I put into mark because MCA won't form in help circle of Willis formation. Then the above one ACA, that is blue arteries, or ACA, that is anterior cerebral arteries, both right and left anterior cerebral arteries. Then in the below I am marking posterior cerebral artery, both right and left posterior cerebral arteries. Posterior cerebral artery is formed from both vertebral arteries below, both right and left vertebral arteries, which fuses to form basilar artery. That basilar artery gives to two posterior cerebral arteries. Okay. Then in the above anterior cerebral arteries, there will be communication between anterior cerebral arteries. So that is anterior communicating artery. Then after that, posterior communicating artery comes from internal cerebral artery, ICA, which connects ICA to the posterior cerebral arteries. So finally, what are the arteries forms the circle of Willis are internal ICA, internal carotid arteries, both right and left, anterior cerebral arteries, both right and left posterior cerebral arteries, and anterior communicating artery, and two posterior communicating arteries. So all of this forms the circle of Willis. So they will ask question or which artery is forming the circle of Willis, which won't in the exams. Okay, so it is very important to know the circle of Willis. Then finally, what is the function of circle of Willis? What is the use of circle of Willis in our brain? Is the in circle of Willis there are many arteries are connecting adjacently. So if one artery is blocked or stenosed, the other artery will supply blood to the brain tissue. So it will prevent ischemia through collateral circulation. This is circle of Willis. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Bye.